So this is a celebration of all things innovation, change-making, technology adoption, and celebrating the hard work that we do here in Manitoba. So this is why we have MD Tech Week, is to celebrate what you're doing to help you make connections.
It's just different people coming out to different events, people coming together for a common reason, which is to promote tech in Manitoba, to promote our great province, and to celebrate each other and celebrate the companies that, make our province thrive.
A lot of companies are not really present at other tech events, but they are here at Tech Week. So that's interesting to know about all the tech companies that are in Winnipeg and getting to meet people all the way from CEOs, founders to our colleagues.
It's so fun that Tech Manitoba is doing this and bringing everyone together, putting focus on all of the great tech development that's taking place all across Manitoba and giving opportunities for organizations like ours to tell our story and host events.
It's super exciting to see all this community come together here. It's very tight-knit, and the mixture of kind of universities, startups, businesses, entrepreneurs.
With Tech Week, we're really excited to have a bunch of people in the studio from different realms in the tech industry here in Manitoba. We can see these different industries converge to create really great projects.
I think that as the years go by, the amount of support for Tech Week and for tech organizations in general in Manitoba is really increasing.
I really do think that it's extraordinary work being done in places that people don't expect. And it's world-class work that's being done here. We have such great people, such incredible talent, that we need to do a better job of telling the story of their successes.
For anybody that's interested in tech or likes tech, wants to know more about tech, Tech Week's the week to come out.
I think everybody, whether you work in the tech industry or not, should make time to come to Tech Week.
We'd like to present the check to Cancer Care for $115,000.
Thanks to all of your generosity.
Tech Week 2027, I'm sure, will be bigger and bolder. Come out and check it out. There's lots of great stuff for people of all stripes and ages and types to explore.